Alright, let's cut the rest of this mango. We don't want it to spoil, so want to make sure that we cut it nice and neat. Perfect. Now you want to do squares here, right? Squares. Squares. Then do the squares here too. Don't try to put your hand in the back because you might get it yourself with a knife. So once you do enough of this, oops, put your plate in there. All you gotta do is cut these in there. Keep cutting. We're not done yet. So try to not cut the bone. There's one here, and then go around here. There it is. Look at this. Cut the, let's clean it up. Let's see how it looks after I clean it up. See if it did any damage to it. How easy is it to clean? Very clean, see? Simple.